Day 30 of the Overbury harvest for 2022. We are still cutting winter beans. This is the Wizard variety, and you can just see there's a few of these pods that are just starting to split open with the hot weather. So there are a few beans just on the ground, not too many fortunately, and those that have split haven't quite stained yet, which is a good sign. So they've been yielding around the 4.5 tonnes per hectare mark. These were direct drilled with the Horsch Sprinter drill about the 10th of October last year, 25 centimetre rows, aiming for about 22 seeds per square metre. Probably ended up putting a few more on than that actually, they were quite thick. And the pod set is very much sort of in the middle of the plant, so we've got not many flowers that set pods at the bottom, nor at the top. So they're about 4 feet high. There's about 4 beans in a pod. Nice and clean, the herbicides have worked well. I think the no-till kind of helps that job along in terms of not disturbing the surface too much when we're drilling. We actually put a shot of glyphosate over these fields about 2 weeks after drilling. We nearly got caught out actually with the beans just emerging. Nearly got caught out with the beans just emerging. I think the slightly warmer soil temperatures slightly caught us out last year, so that went on almost a bit too late, but it was okay in the end. Yeah, so we've got about another 25 hectares probably of beans to go, then another field of spring wheat, and that will be harvest wrapped up, done and dusted for the year.